Hey guys, this is Jackie. Now this isn't my normal video, but so many of you really loved Angel in my videos that I figured this was the perfect time to make a video about him. So here's Angel, but he does not want to be in the shot. In this video, I will tell you guys the top perks of owning a parrot. Number 1, they're always lively. Yay! Secondly, they always obey. Always. Bark. 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 Let's see if he does it now. Bark. Good boy. Thirdly, they're not picky eaters at all. You know what that's? Yummy carrot? Or home-baked bird food. Success. Number 4, their faces when they're having a birdgasm. And that's when you're scratching their head, not the other stuff, you pervs. Speaking of pervs, they love you so much that they want to mate with you. And Angel has this weird mating routine where he wants to pull my fingers in. Don't ask. Number 7, they are very clever. A little too clever if you ask me. So when they get bored, they're going to be really loud. So you have to be innovative and hide their food inside their toys so that it takes them hours to eat instead of just a couple of seconds. Otherwise, you get this. Next, they're incredibly clean pets. Here's 1 week's worth of bird cage mess. I just cleaned this cage this morning. And the designated poop spot. And you'll never feel like you're alone because you're always going to be feeling like you're being watched. Whether you're cleaning their cage or just doing something else around the house. Oh, too close. Are you still watching me? They're compact animals. You don't need much space for them. That's a lie. And finally, you'll never be able to finish a complete sentence without being interrupted. Now on a more serious note, make sure that you guys research before getting a parrot. They're a lot of work and they're not exactly low maintenance because they do require a lot of attention and affection.